going through this big lake here. Through all of it too, baby. But you don't want to go through this big lake? It's a big lake with big gators. Yeah, big gators.
Big what?
Big alligator over there.
Are you going there?
We're going to chase him down on the quad. Watch, he'll take off. There he is. I told you, there he is. I told you, there's the gator. There he is. Listen, calm down. Calm down. Look it, right there.
No me interesa, no quiero.
Listen, calm down. I caught, well, not me, Renegade Mike caught and released him. He's only this big. Look at baby. See, there he goes.
I know.
This is his little hole. He owns it.
Yeah, but this is
I don't hurt him. I don't mess with him. This is his home. I come and visit and disturb a little bit, but this is where he lives. You see?
Yeah, get out.
I like coming to visit him. Uh-oh, we're getting stuck. This is bad. We're in stuck land, baby. We're getting stuck. Oh, no. More gas. Faster. We got him. Oh, you can hear him.